Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to recover a deleted task on ClickUp. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you accidentally deleted a task on ClickUp. How do you actually go ahead about recovering that task? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, let's first log on to ClickUp. Then let's go into our upper right-hand corner, click on the profile icon. Then click on settings. Now from this page here, you want to scroll all the way down to where you find trash. Click on trash. And as you can see here, this is the tasks that I accidentally deleted. In order to recover this, all you've got to do is click on the task and then click on restore. So that's going to restore it to its original location. So if I go back to my workspace, and it's going to take a couple seconds to actually reappear from where it was deleted from. But after some time, the task should reappear back over here and it's been restored. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and restore a task on ClickUp. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.